In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. Let's start by opening WhatsApp. You can do this on your phone or on the web at web.whatsapp.com, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in because this action needs an active connection to reach the other person's device. Also, keep in mind that deleting for everyone only works within a limited time window after you send a message. If that option isn't available later, it usually means the time limit has passed or the app versions involved don't support it. Next, head into the chat where the message lives. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Find the exact message you want to remove. It could be text, a photo, a voice note, or a sticker. Most sent items can be removed the same way. Now press and hold on that message. On mobile, a long press selects it and brings up your action bar. If you're on WhatsApp web or desktop, click the small down arrow beside the message or right-click it to reveal the same options. Make sure you've highlighted the correct item so you don't remove the wrong thing. Look toward the top of your screen for the trash or bin icon and tap it. This tells WhatsApp you want to delete the selected message. You'll see a prompt asking how you want to proceed. This is where the crucial choice comes in. Choose delete for everyone. This instructs WhatsApp to try to remove the message not just from your own view, but from the recipient's chat as well. After you confirm, your chat will show a placeholder indicating the message was deleted. On your device, you'll typically see you deleted this message. Others in the chat will see a note that the message was deleted. That's normal and expected. A few helpful notes as you use this feature. Delete for everyone isn't a guarantee that no one saw the message. Recipients may have read it already, received a preview, or taken a screenshot. The option might not appear if too much time has passed since sending, if you're offline, or if someone in the conversation is using an older version of the app. In group chats, the deletion applies to all participants, but the deletion notice will be visible to everyone. If a recipient's device is offline, WhatsApp will attempt the deletion once they come back online, though success can vary. That's it. Open WhatsApp, go to the chat, press and hold the message, tap the bin icon, and pick delete for everyone. Use it quickly and carefully, and you'll be able to correct mistakes before they stick around.